every website on the internet uses HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We may say these are the foundational coding languages of the internet. Just like Belgium has 3 languages, French, Dutch and German. Web pages also have these 3 languages. Sure, you may heard of them, but do you know how they work? Web development is what you see when you go to a website. Let's understand this with a nice example. So I call HTML the builder, CSS the artist, and the JavaScript is the wizard. They all are different, but they need one another to make a website. Imagine you want to code this website using HTML, but just HTML. HTML essentially would define all the content, the text, the images and the links. But without CSS, the artist, and without JavaScript, the wizard, an HTML only website would look like this. CSS adds the style to the website. CSS can't live without HTML, else there would be nothing to style. It is responsible for outlining the colors, the fonts and the positioning of contents. Your website will now look like this. Now we come to JavaScript, the wizard. Pop-up error messages, the autocompletes that you use, that is all JavaScript. So that's why these 3 languages complement each other to make a good looking website. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. Till then, keep learning.